What are you looking at? What are you looking at? Oh, you're just a big cozy bear, aren't you? All right, beautiful evening. It's like 72. Hi. Who's this guy? Who's this guy trying to hang out? So slobbery. McSlobbers, Madaubers. Sun's going down over the valley. Beautiful evening. Gotta go say hi to my kitties and my chicks. I don't know what it is, dude, but I just really like hanging out with chicks. Guess that's just me. Hey, play nice. Play nice. Oh, to be a dog. That would be wild. All right, that's enough. Come on. I'm the alpha here. You better quit. Man, this is beautiful. Love this time of day. So I just found out that this area in North Carolina is right next to the border of where the time would change. So it stays bright really late because it's basically, you know, it says it's like 8:30 p.m. right now, but it's really more like 7:30 because it's so close to where the time border is. All right, chill out. Oh my gosh. You two need to quit it. You punks. Hey little Bo Peeps. Hey little peep peep peeps. No. Hey Zap. Hey Zipper buddy. Get out of the way. Move. Move. Go away. You're blocking my shot. Dude. Move, you big oaf. Get out of the way. Such a big dum-dum. Hey, Prince. Hey, Prince Zipper. Hi, bud. Love you. Love you, boy. Love you, my boy. He's a sweet boy. He's a sweet boy. I remember when you were just this big. Fit in one hand of mine. This is the first time any one of the kitties have slept on my lap. I told him that we were gonna keep him in the family. He was the one we're gonna keep, and a few minutes later he climbed up on my lap and was meowing and just settled right in. Totally could feel it. Sweetest friggin' thing in the world. Oh, and then my second favorite pops up. There comes little Storm. Oh, baby girl. Hey, little sweetie. That was gonna be my other choice. But this little zipper is just so cute. Hi. Hi, sweet. Hi, my other sweet. There comes Cloud. Meow. Oh my gosh. I think they're getting jealous. Oh, here they all come. I think they're getting jealous, Zipper. What do you think? Oh, you're all purry now. Oh. Hi, Cloud. Hi, little tiny Cloud. Oh my gosh. Killing me. You guys are killing me. It's just too cute. The little sound they make while their paws hit the floor. Oh, sorry, am I waking you up? Yep. Yep, just a little bit. Hi, buddy. Hi, beautiful. I love you. Oh, I love you too, Storm. How am I gonna say bye to you? I don't know if I can do it. Oh my gosh, you're all so sweet. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. Oh, hi, sweet. Hi, sweet boy. Oh, yeah, stretch. God, he looks at me right in my eyes and, like, stays, like, gazing for a minute. It's so cute. Alright, time for me to go to bed. Love you, Zipper. He's like, no, you gotta stay. Love you, buddy. I will see you again. I can tell. I will see you again, little bunny feet. God, I love those colors. Oh my gosh. Nice Storm. Too much good stuff. They're both in a headlock, bunny feeding each other's heads. It's too funny. Oh my gosh. I don't know how I'm gonna leave tomorrow. I don't know if it's possible. They've never sat with me like this before. I love it. He doesn't want me to go. Oh, excuse me, sir. He's trying to climb up. Oh my gosh, stop it. He's trying to just snuggle up. Oh my gosh. What am I gonna do with you? What am I gonna do with you, huh? So in love. Ugh, I want to take him home. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, what are you doing? That's my knee. Oh, you little love bug, you little lion. Oh my gosh, hi. Buddy. Oh, I love this cat. Since you're a little tiny little guy. Just a little tiny guy. He is such a strong cat. You can just feel him. He's a barn cat. He's a hunter. He's freaking muscly. When you pet him really hard, he pushes all of his weight back into your hand. That's so cool. He's a man's man. I'd love to know his kill count of mice and other varmin around here, because I'm sure it is high, just like the other cat behind him, his mama. She's one of the best hunters that my mom has ever seen. She said there was a mouse problem, and then they found her, and then there was no more mice. Oh, sometimes all you need is some pets from a sweet animal, or to pet a sweet animal. Yeah, he pet me too. Oh, good boy. Good boy, just sitting there watching. Good boy. He's not very good at that. He likes to get all up in your face. Good night. Coming out? Night, Zipper. I love you. Everything's okay now. I kind of want to go sit with the chickadees. Got a nice mini after sunset. Yeah, it's fun sitting with the chicks because it's so warm in there because of that light. Oh, who's this? Who's this guy? Who's this big-headed guy? Oh, gross. Surrounded by animals. It's the way to live. Yeah. You like it here? I think they like it here. The cows are grazing. Time to go make some tea and relax. I'm still getting used to this time zone. Obviously, I got here, what, yesterday? Yeah. Midday yesterday, thinking I could just flip right back into this time zone, but yeah, 35 hours of flights and traveling was definitely a lot. And that was after 2 weeks of recovering from this hair surgery where I had to take 2 different types of antibiotics for 15 days, or 1 for 5, 1 for 15. So it was, I feel like my immune system's a little bit on the low, but ready for a nice healing, a couple weeks here to rest and recuperate and recharge, get ready for the next chapter. What a great little sesh. Cheers to that.